Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Robinhood Wallet. Tap the Wallet tab, link your bank, and enable instant transfers to move funds safely. Next, review your balance, pending deposits, and available buying power before you trade. Set up two-factor authentication and confirm your contact info for security. Finally, learn how to transfer funds out, check transfer limits, and monitor transaction history to avoid surprises. To fund your Robinhood wallet, open the Wallet tab and choose a deposit method that matches your needs. ACH transfers are free but slower, while instant deposits give immediate buying power for small amounts. Verify your linked bank to raise limits and reduce delays. Always confirm deposit and withdrawal timelines, and watch for limits on instant transfers so you can plan trades without surprises. When moving money out of Robinhood Wallet, start from the Wallet tab and request a withdrawal to your verified bank. Check the pending status to estimate arrival times and avoid making trades assuming funds are cleared. Use transaction history to reconcile deposits, withdrawals, and fees. If something looks off, contact support and save screenshots. Regular monitoring helps you prevent errors and maintain clear records for budgeting and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.